Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Now we are discussing hypersensitivity reaction. In this video, include the topic type 2 hypersensitivity. It is an antibody mediated reaction. Immunoglobulin M and immunoglobulin G are involved in this reaction. This hypersensitivity reaction causes tissue damage because it is a tissue specific reaction. Antibodies directly bind to the antigen on the cell surfaces and result in the cellular destruction. Antigens involved in these reactions are self-antigen, modified antigen or altered self-antigen and alloantigen. Antibodies involved and targeted against antigen on the cell surface. Antibodies involved in these reactions are autoantibodies and alloantibodies. Complement proteins, eosinophils, natural killer cells, neutrophils, macrophages are the other component involved in this reaction. Examples for the type 2 hypersensitivity reactions are hemolytic anemia, Rh incompatibility, blood transfusion reactions, tissue transplantation rejection, rheumatic fever, Goodpasture syndrome. Next, we are discussing the first example, hemolytic anemia. It is a serious complication. It occurs after blood transfusion. Red blood cells who are given during the transfusion are destroyed by the person's immune system. Red blood cells destruction will occur. This is known as hemolysis. Second example is Rh incompatibility. It is very important example. Rh incompatibility result erythroblastosis fetalis. If Rh negative woman pregnant, her baby in the womb has Rh positive, this condition will occur. During the time of delivery, fetal umbilical cord blood enter the mother's circulation. Then fetal red blood cells, activated B cells result production of plasma cells and memory cells in the mother. Plasma cells secreted immunoglobulin M antibody clears Rh positive fetal cells from the mother's circulation, but memory cells remain. It will threat to the subsequent pregnancy with the Rh positive fetus. Memory cells activated and form immunoglobulin G and which cross the placenta and damage the fetal red blood cells. Fetus cause anemia, jaundice and more serious problems. Thanks for watching this video.